Healthy food doesn't have to be boring.
So comforting.
You're on a diet but still want comfort food?
Try this pearl millet khichdi, healthy feeling and super tasty.
Into the cooker goes soaked green peas, then moong dal and soaked pearl millet.
Add turmeric, salt and cook for 6 whistles. Did you know pearl millet is packed with fiber and protein?
It keeps you full for longer.
Great for weight management and fitness goals.
It's also rich in iron and magnesium. It's healthy and naturally gluten free.
Mom, little help please. Mustard seed, cumin and hing. Curry leaves. Now the onions. Cook until golden. Ginger garlic paste. Now chop tomatoes. A little salt and let them soften.
Look how soft and creamy it is.
Mix it well.
Now add the cooked millet mixture.
Turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, and kanda lasoon masala, kitchen king masala, garam masala, fresh coriander.
I made it a little fluid because it thickens as it cools. A spoon of ghee on top and it's ready.
Save this recipe and follow for more easy healthy recipes.